Okay students, here we will discuss a few exercises from Cbse curriculum. From the given figure, name the line segment containing the point E. Now let us look at this figure. Now you have to name the line which contains the point E. And now let us name this line as L. This line is suppose M. This is suppose N. So which line contains the point E? Line L contains point E, right? Line passing through A. Which line is passing through A? Line L is passing through A, point A, right? Line on which O lies. Line on which O lies. This point O. This point is on this line N. Therefore, O lies on the line N. Two pairs of intersecting lines. Two pairs of intersecting line means they cross each other through a point. So you can say L and N are intersecting at B. L line and line N, they are passing through B. Similarly, line M and L are intersecting at E. This line M and this line L, they are intersecting at E, right? Three pairs of collinear points. Now what are collinear points? Points on the same line are called collinear points. So collinear points here A, B are collinear, right? They are on the same line L, A and B. Similarly, C and O are collinear. They are on the line N. Similarly, E and F are collinear. So you understood what is collinear? Points on the same line are called collinear. E and F, they are on the line M, right? So they are collinear. E and F. The line M is like this. F is here. E is here, right? So they are on the same line. E and F are collinear points. Next question, how many lines can be made through one point? Suppose this is one point. So how many lines you can make through this point? This line, suppose you name it as L. This was the point. You can make another line through here. This is M. Let us make another line here. This is N. You make another line here. This is say small p. So how many lines you can make through one point? Infinite lines. You can keep on drawing such lines through this one point. Infinite lines can be made through one point. Now, how many lines can be made through two different points? Suppose these two are different points. How many lines can be made? Two different points. Only one line, right? Let us extend this line to infinity. So these points were A and B. This point was B. We made a line through A and B. This is L. Only one line can be made through two given points. You cannot make any more lines, right? If you join A and B, suppose this way, suppose or this way suppose, then these are curves. This is also a curve, not line. This is a curve actually. So only one line can be made through a pair of points. Through two given points, you can make only one line. Next question is, in this given figure, find collinear points. Collinear points, say Q, M, O, N, P are collinear. Collinear points. Collinear point means points on the same line. Say two pairs of non-collinear points. Two pairs of non-collinear points. Now you see O and S. Say for example O and S, non-collinear, because they are not on the same line. The point S is outside of line. This line is L. The point S is not on this line. They are not collinear. Similarly, R and N, non-collinear, because the point R is outside this line, not on the line. R and N are non-collinear points. Similarly, you can say R and P. Similarly, M and R. Similarly, M and S. These are non-collinear points. Is M is a point on the ray OP? Ray OP. Ray OP means it is starting with A, O, and extended to the right side. So M is not on the ray OP. So M is not on ray OP. Yes, you see OP is like this. OP. Starting point is O. The point M is this side. This is M. So M is not on OP. Ray OP is different from QP. Now you see ray OP, starting point O, P, and ray QP. Yes, they are different because their starting point is different. This is O. Ray OP means it is starting with O. Ray QP means starting with Q. So OP and QP, they are different, right? Opposite ray of OP. Opposite ray of OP. OP, what is the opposite ray of OP? OQ. So OP, OQ are opposite rays, right? OP and OQ. OP is means ray. OP means it is extended to infinity towards P. OQ means the ray OQ is extended to infinity towards Q. So they are different rays, two different directions. Initial point of ray OQ. What is the initial point of ray OQ? Initial point is O, right? Initial point of ray OQ is O. Yeah, thank you for watching, students.